Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Pro, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Prado GX, stock reference number 4714. This shape runs from the 6th month 2015 through to the 5th month 2020. It has a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, aftermarket spotlights, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, pair of Kingsley side steps. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Spare wheel appears to have no damage. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right-hand side steps, sold as a pair. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.